Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to add money to Paysafecard. So if you're using Paysafecard for the first time, so if you're looking to buy it, so you can simply visit any stores here depending on your location. So if you get to Paysafecard website, if you click on locate, you can search for their locations. If you hit on buy, you can just search your address where you for your nearby stores or any outlets. So for example, let me set my location here. So for example, here when I search my region, so these are my nearby outlets. So what I can do, I can simply visit to any of these stores here and then ask them for a Paysafecard voucher. So I can buy the voucher using my credit cards if I have a credit card, or I can simply use cash to purchase these vouchers. So once I purchase this voucher, I will get a 16-digit PIN number which I can use for my purchases. Once you get it, so what you can do, well, when you get to this Paysafecard website here, you can create your own account here and then type in your voucher number here, and you can recharge online, as well as you can check your balance online as well. So you can also, once you have your PIN number, your voucher number here, you can check your balance, and then also you can recharge it or add funds to it online through your bank card or bank your credit card or your bank account. So these are the ways how you can add money to your Paysafe card. Hope this information is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.